in this episode, I'll be talking about what to expect on your first voice lesson. I'm so excited to talk about this, so let's dive in. First on our list is getting to know you. Before your lesson starts, your teacher will gonna ask you some personal questions like, how are you doing today? How was the weather outside? Like, how was your trip coming here in the studio? And more. Basically, these questions will help you and your teacher feel comfortable for the first time. Number 2 on our list is your musical background. The teacher wants to know your musical experiences, such as how long have you been singing? What type of music are you interested in? Do you prefer pop, jazz, classical, musical theater, rock, and more? Teacher will also ask you if you have been in a choir, what musical instruments you are playing, or do you know any musical instruments? Do you read music or not? And have you been taking a voice lesson before or any musical lessons? Number 3 on our list is your expectation. So what is your expectation for the entire lesson? So the teacher wants to know your purpose, your goal, and why you're taking up this lesson. So for example, you're taking up this lesson because you wanted to join in a band, or you wanted to join in a singing competition, or you wanted to become better in singing during the karaoke nights with your family and friends. Why not, right? Or you just want to feel comfortable in singing while finding your own voice and see what you can do with it in the process. Number 4 on our list is vocal warm-up. This is so important for the teacher. Commonly, this is just a short vocal exercises that helps your teacher assess your voice, like finding your range, finding your strength, your weaknesses in singing those notes during the vocal exercise. Number 5 on our list is singing a song. I know this sounds like nerve-wracking moment with your new teacher, but you got this. I just remember on my first voice lesson, I was so nervous, but it's okay. It's normal. The important thing is you come prepared for the lesson. Just sing it, be confident, believe in yourself. Your teacher is there to help you in your singing journey. Number 6 on our list is the prep questions for your teacher. Now it's your time, your opportunity to ask questions for your teacher. I highly recommend for you to prepare it ahead of time, because during the actual lesson, you might forget those important things that you wanted to ask to your teacher. I wanted to give you an example for this. You can ask about what's the status of your voice right now, what he or she can help with it, and what are those things that you need to prepare for your next lesson, and more. By coming up prepared in your first voice lesson, you give your new teacher the best chance in discovering and helping you in your singing journey. Just enjoy and be open-minded with all the advices that your teacher gave to you during the lesson. Your goal is to help you become a better singer. And one more tip, there is no right or wrong answers to all of these questions, because this is all about you. Once again, thank you so much for being here. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you haven't been subscribed yet to my channel, feel free to click the subscribe button below. And if you find this helpful for you, give this a thumbs up too. Thank you once again, and see you on my next video. Bye!